Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make your own sound on Snapchat. To make your own sound on Snapchat, first open the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. So I am using an Android. I am opening the Play Store. After opening, search for Snapchat and select it. If there's an update available, go ahead and update the app. Once that's done, open Snapchat. First of all, we'll start by recording a video. Capture a short video that you want to use for your demonstration. After recording, tap the music icon on the right side of your screen to view the Snapchat music gallery. Inside the gallery, tap Create Sound. Here, you'll see two options. You can either upload a video from your camera roll to extract its audio or record a new sound directly. Choose the option to record a new sound. Make sure any desirable background audio is playing while you record. Once you're finished, name your sound, for example, favorite, and tap Save to store it. To reuse your custom sound, go to My Favorites in the music library and select My Sounds. There you'll find a list of all your custom recordings. Choose your preferred sound and add it to your Snapchat video. Once you're finished, you can share your video as a story or snap with your friends. And that's it, you're all set. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.